Hello everyone, on Simple Errors channel. In this video, we'll walk you through some essential commands to fix the most common network adapter issues like DNS problem or driver issues. Let's get started. Click on the Start menu, type CMD and run as administrator. Now we'll run a series of commands to reset your network configurations. Firstly, release your IP address. Type ipconfig/release and press enter. This will release your current IP address. Next, clear the DNS cache. Here's a tip. Click on up arrow button to get the last command you typed. Clear the last part and type flush DNS and press enter. This clears the cached DNS information, forcing your computer to perform a fresh DNS lookup the next time you access a website. It can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted DNS entries. Then renew your IP address. Type ipconfig/renew and press enter. This will request a new IP address from your router or DHCP server. Now reset the TCP IP stack. To reset the TCP IP stack and related network configurations to their default settings, type net sh int IP reset and press enter. This can help resolve connectivity issues caused by corrupted or misconfigured network settings. Reset Windows sockets. Sometimes WinSock, a Windows component that handles network communication, can become corrupted. This often happens due to malicious scripts or software blocking your internet connection. To fix this, type net sh winsock reset and press enter. This command replaces the WinSock catalog with a fresh copy, restoring it to its default settings. If the issue persists after running all the above commands, you can use this command as a last attempt. Warning: this command should be used with caution. It will remove all network adapters and their configurations and drivers-related settings. Reset the network stack to its default state. Clear any third-party network software configurations that may be causing issues. To proceed, type net cfg-d and press enter. Note: after running this command, you'll need to reconfigure any custom network settings, such as static IP addresses, DNS servers, or VPN configurations. These commands should help resolve most network adapter issues. If you're still experiencing problems, consider checking your network drivers or consulting with your internet service provider. Leave a comment below to let me know if these commands worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Once the command completes, restart your computer to apply the changes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.